Hey guys, I usually don't do these kind of unboxings, but here I have something from the Civilian Marksmanship Program. It is a Round 3 1911 unboxing. Now, I just picked this up at my FFL, and you know, the drive to the FFL, nerve-wracking because you don't know what you get. So here we have a matching Remington Rand frame and Remington Rand slide. And I haven't really, inspected it all myself, but it is a dark beauty. There's no numbers here, the rack numbers, but look at that. It's like a heavy park. But there's the Remington Rand on it, and I got the Frank J. Atwood right there. It's not too bad, I guess. A lot of people are saying that their back sights are goobered up. My back sights actually look really nice. I've seen people where this right side has been completely smashed down, but mine are pretty choice. Let's try to find the front bead. See, there you go. It looks really good. I'm really happy about my back strap checkering. Love that. Most guys have the lines on their back strap, but this has the checkering on the hammer and the front of the trigger. But yeah, top of the slide lock release, that's checkered as well. Most of them have the lines on it. Let me see. Now that's interesting too. The safety has the lines. Of course, this is anything you get from the CMP is a mix master. So I don't know if they even checkered the safety, but I've got checkering on freaking everything. I love it. I love the checkering, especially that back strap. Man, that's sweet. Oh, and of course, the roll mark everybody wants when they get one of these. United States property. Yeah. So, U.S. Army. So sweet. Mine doesn't have a bunch of goofy marks, and actually, looking at it, I mean, it doesn't really have the idiot mark either. It doesn't have the big scrape. I mean, when you twist it in the light, you can see all these little scuffs and scrapes and stuff, but you're talking something that's stinking old, and it doesn't have but so much. Up front, okay, that's the worst. Up front, but that's fine. I don't mind that. That's honest wear. And my grips are a little beat up too, which I don't mind either. It just, I don't mind. It's really nice. Actually, this thing has one of the darkest parks that I've seen on any of the 1911s coming out of Round 3. It's so stinking dark. And the stamping's nice. So I don't think it was, sandblasted like what the service grades are. When I was called, they said you got 3 range grade, which I don't know, but this is Iraq And then you also had field. I saw a lot of field grades coming out through round 3 that had replacement slides. The Israel weapon industries replacement slides, and I did not want that. Man, damn, this thing feels so good in your hand. Of course, it's clear. There's nothing in it, and man, you know, damn, that's smooth. Wow, that was incredibly smooth action. See, that was the first time I worked the action. This is how new this thing is to me. The scuffs and stuff, man, I don't care. Gorgeous. It has a newer chrome lined barrel. Pretty. Yeah, and it's beautiful. So the barrel's not original to the firearm. It has a small smiley mark, and that's just from I guess the CMP testing it out and test firing it before they ship it, and maybe Aniston Armory before. Okay, so I have a small mark here. I don't know what that one is. I have a very, very faded mark right there. So I don't see any double cannons. I don't see where this thing, I mean, I have a number 4. Where is it? Right on the trigger guard there. The number 4. And I got Frank J. Atwood. And I, of course, have the P. At the top, if you guys can see that, I've got the P. Huh. I'm not seeing much else in the way of marks. It's fairly stinking clean, actually. Yeah. I'm not seeing anything else as far as marks go. That very faded bit of a roll up there, I don't know what that is, actually. But, yeah, I'm super, super happy with this. It's so sweet. Man. Dude. Okay. The barrel here is a 1985 manufactured barrel. So you got the 45 auto and then the 85 right there. So that's good. 1980s barrel. Chrome line. You know, you want that with these. But this is such a sexy rat grade. So nice. I'll find out some more information on it and maybe make a follow-up video for this firearm. But so far, I'm super happy. Like, I have the emotions washing over me. I was really wanting a Colt, but dreading the worst. I was dreading having a true Mixmaster, like an Ithaca slide and a Remington Rand frame, or having the replacement slide. Oh man, that was my greatest fear. But this is just beautiful. Yeah, nothing. It's not too bad for it's not too bad. Like I said, that's really smooth. A really smooth lockup. Really nice action, honestly. So I don't know. This firearm was probably issued to a pencil pusher and never got used. That's probably why there's no re-arsenal marks. It's probably why it's both a matching frame and slide, is that this was a pencil pusher firearm, which is sad. You know, I would hope that it would have seen some combat. But yeah, I mean, this is fantastic. I'm just very, very excited. You know, it does have the cutouts there. Yeah, exciting. Anyway, you guys take it easy. Talk to you later. God bless.